CNC plasma cutting machines are computer-run systems that have the ability to move a high-definition plasma torch in various directions by using the numerical coding that has been programmed into the computer. The high-definition plasma cutter itself operates by forcing a gas or compressed air through a nozzle at high speeds. An electric arc is then introduced to the gas, creating plasma which is able to cut through metal.